Peterson.
simplifying it, you need to make sure that it was the number that you're using. So I use 2. If you simplify both,
I'm closing
I can get a
to
whole number. And now you're gonna get
what's
partial
called.
numbers, and that doesn't work that way. So then in the
I'm
simplest form,
closing
height to
to
base would look like a 5/3, and then base to height would look like a 3/5. Just the opposite, right? Okay, now this one. Draw a line from each vertex of this pentagon to the midpoint of the opposite side. So I'm going to do that.
the way you feel it.
So what it means by a vertex, it's literally just a corner, right?
Okay, would we be able to join have Michelle join us on the call also? On the video call?
This one to the midpoint of that side. The midpoint,
Okay, let me open
the middle part of the other side.
Peterson.
Anything else? So now I have this, right?
I'm watching this card. With the Google and Mrs. Bird. Closing to
So now we have
on
different pieces. How many parts
Google
have you created?
it's
There
not
are a
Enrique.
total of 10 parts. Okay. Color 60% of these parts. What did it do? How much
Me.
60% look on this? How many of these pieces would I have to color to get 60%? Anybody? 60%. Yes. Yes. So 1, 2, 3.
Why you have to do like that?
If we stayed half
He's
of
taking
it,
too long.
50%, right? Then we add one more piece because it's a 10. It's the same thing if it would have had
After
100
Paninos.
pieces and it asked us for
He's
60%.
taking too.
How many pieces would be shaded? 60 pieces,
Peterson.
right?
I'm taking too longer.
Now, we have our shaded parts. 60% of these parts, okay? So what is the ratio
Peterson.
of the colored part to
Peterson.
Hang on, Leo.
the total number of
I'm
parts
taking
in the
too longer.
Wing,
35, 30, and 37, and 38, and 39, 40, 41, 42, 43.
Yo.
6 to 10.
What?
87.
No,
Now
not
we need
again.
to simplify that. So it was like 6/10, right? How would we simplify
Thank you,
that?
Peterson.
Simplify that. Anybody? How would I
Why
do
we're
that?
down?
We did it on the last slide. So how would I do it in this?
Why we're down, Peterson?
Liam, just be quiet.
I can't hear.
Be quiet.
Okay. Movies on the mod.
Two. We can use 2. So then 6 divided by 2 is...
What's your name, fool? Carazita. What's your name, fool? What's your name, fool? Movies on the mod. I'm taking too long. Beep, beep, beep. Movie. Some pictures. Third road show picture. We're going to get your butt whooped. We're going to get your butt whooped. fucking annoy me. Christian, no more concentrate. Kissing when I type in. Then. I'm taking too longer. It's a strange house called Catson. Strange house. Now I hate so Judy. Unit Jonathan. Now be a good girl. Be a good girl. Listen, but I say no. The girl. No. No. Now listen. Now be good girl. Be a good girl. Listen. But I say no.
The sugar has been stable.
Frozen. Frozen. The movie.
287, and the lowest is about the lowest I've seen it drop
Studio Kini.
82.
Movies that you want. What movies you want to? And I'm gonna rock you. It's not finished. He's taking too long. Movies. No. Bye bye. He's taking. Come on. Wait there to come up. I have to do it like that. No. I'm not going to get no fish in your house. Candy. Opening candy. Yummy. Oh, please, God, Gararita. Gararita. Alien dad. Gararita. Having problems? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Hidden an Easter egg. He's taking too longer. Go. Music. Funny music. Happy New Year. Honey cat. Cats and music. All thing. At all. I did.